Yes, my YouTube family. Yeah, we're there, you know, in a Lakeland, a place where you get the mega bus. Mega bus take me to Fort Lauderdale because today is Wednesday, the 25th. Yeah, 25th. Is it, or the 26th? One of them. But the truck is not ready. Still in the shop because number one is waiting on parts, you know, waiting on some parts until if it come in. So they probably thinking probably Friday coming, truck will be ready. So I said, you know, time for turning that rental car there because it's $50-something rack up every day. You know, it turns out to be a good change because we already put 300 and change in it already. We should have followed the original plan and just rented for that one day, do what we had to do, and just took the mega bus back home for $25, which I'm doing right now, you know, because car doors we drive, so it's not like we need a vehicle, it's a must have, you know, we got vehicles at the house, so yeah. So right now we're just here waiting on the mega bus to show up, which is around 4:45. We'll be leaving out of Lakeland, and then I know it goes to Tampa, and then Fort Myers, and then Hollywood. So it's about a 6-hour trip. What took me 3.5 hours to get here, now it's going to take me 6 hours and change to get back home. But to me, it's well worth it. I mean, $25, good price, and a great experience. You know, you meet different people, come on the bus, and plus the ride is, you know, it's no rush, take it easy, you stop your sightseeing and things like that. So yeah, we're just right now waiting on the mega bus to pull up, and then we're out of here. So as you can see, we're out here and take a nice seat. Take a nice seat and sit down. And find a nice little shade. Me have a bag which me have a dash with this coming I need it. Everything already on the truck, but I just took it down because I got my pillow and my blanket in there because, you know, it be cold on that mega bus, man. They be having that thing freezing. So we got a blanket, we got a pillow in here. Took my laptop out of the truck to probably try see if we can do some things. And then we got a little knapsack bag over there. So, but right now we're just up on the floor easy ourselves, you know. Taking a nice breeze. I now tell the truth, I'll take off my shoes right now and just get comfortable because we're going there at about the next hour. And then we're out of here. So, catch y'all on the pull up.
Shit, Matt, we back at it, nigga. Kush, MMBOC, we made it. I've been a lot of places, I've seen a lot of things. That's why I wake up every morning and still I dream. Living in America, where freedom ring. Like I wrote the speech myself, Martin Luther King. Destined for greatness, shout yeah, we made it. MMBOC on top, now who's your favorite? MMBOC on top, yeah we made it. MMBOC, you see there's us and there's them, but we don't pretend these clowns.
Yeah, man. Yeah, I set up on the coach, you know. You step in on this deck here and go want some sleep. You see, good family. Just like that. So we are dropping in at the place. While we are waiting, we go up on the double decker. I'm staying to the bottom. Just like that, still, you know. Yes, my family, so see it. Staying on the mega bus here now. First stop where we got to go Tampa, and then we head down south to Fort Myers. So I'll just kick it back and watch some Netflix, some documentary, okay? Yeah, over and catch you on the highway and the byway, or catch me in the Fort Myers pilot. Yeah, it's a quick turnaround. Back on the mega bus. break, and then we on the way to I think it's Tampa. 2 stops in Tampa, and then Lakeland, and then they go off to Orlando. But while we up this Loves Truck Plaza, drivers, this is especially for you, man. I want to get a quick burst of energy and something healthy. They got them 2 for $5. This is a pineapple, and I had grapes. Killed the grapes, man. Killed the grapes. And then the water, they're giving away these water 2 for 1. I think it's like $1.59. They give you 2 water. So hey, you got, yeah, man, you feel up real good. So we took this break, eat some grapes, drink of water, and now we're going to the next one, which is in Tampa, you know. So yeah, my people, bus will get full. We go up to the driver right there somewhere, holding it down, you know. People there by themselves. You know what I mean? So catch me on the highway, on the byway, you know. Catch me in the next plaza, truck stop, king of the road, you know. Next stop, Lakeland. We gotta catch a Uber or a Lyft. Maybe I should call that Lyft driver that I met and see if he's gonna be available. Oh, okay. All right, we over now. You know, boss, I get ready to go. And me, I go sleep. You know, take another. Appreciate the lift. We officially arrived in Lakeland. Uber right now. Well, Lyft had the better rate. So we're about. Let me see. You should be in this black Impala pulling up. But anyway, catch y'all in the yard. And deck out with truck and lick the road. We're officially back on the grind. Let's get it. Luggage, everything ready. Yes, we YouTube family, we're looking good. We're looking good. We're situated in our truck now. Let me just show you what they've done. So the airbag, brand new airbags. Yeah. So now we should be able to hold that air. And them airbags, brand new airbags. I told you I'm gonna take y'all on this journey with me, man. We're back out here on the road, man. You know what I mean? I got some goodies too. I gotta show y'all the goodies that I got. I got some goodies. I got a bag of goodies was waiting for me. Yeah, we need a little fuel. But I want to show y'all my goodies, man. Got my 100K. Accident-free 100K we ran. So we got our sticker. For some reason, I got to figure how. I thought this was like, seemed magnetized. Or it's a peel, but I got to get this stuck on the truck. Okay. Got 2 caps. 2 caps, which you know I don't wear hats. That's for men. King God wears a crown. So we might take these patches and make another crown. With the K, I don't know how I'm gonna get that patch off because that seemed like that's stitched in. But we're gonna work it out. We might have to cut it out, do what we do. But we got ourselves 2 caps. 2 caps, 100K. 100K, accident free. What's this? Probably some pen. Keychain. Night refrigerated. Hook up our keys, you know, night refrigerated. We got a 100K pin. And we got a, what's this? We got a shirt. That'll be a 100K shirt. We got a collared shirt. Now we got even a more professional look right now. And we got another refrigerated shirt. So that was some goodies right there. This is definitely a pen. But yeah, we just got here, man. We officially in the building. We just got here. We just checked in. As you can see, we got the goodies. We driving for the #1 right here. Team Night, you know what I mean? Team Refrigerated. We do the produce, vegetable, fruits, some meats occasionally, but you know, I'm trying to work it to produce only, baby. Produce, fruits, vegetables, you know what I mean? We specialize out here. That's how we're running out there. Shirts, we gotta get packed in, but yeah, the truck is a mess right now, but like I said, we're gonna get packed in. We're gonna get packed in. Look at it. Look, I bought the stuff up the other day. I didn't even pack up anything, man. I just kind of put it in the truck and just said when I get back here, then I'll hook up everything. But yeah, we got a little thing to do right there. But I guess they didn't fix the fridge, which is terrible right there. So we're gonna have to probably get a new fridge. The man have to cut me a PO for me to buy a fridge and put it in the truck. But yeah, family, so we're gonna get on the road. We got our loads already. We got loads to write up. Let me just log in real quick. Let's see what we got on the menu right now, because yeah, it's gonna be crazy right now. Be back in the driver's seat. See what we got right here. See, that's a pre-plan. We're not worried about the pre-plan. We need the load, get to the load. It's all pre-plan again. We're gonna say commit to pre-plan. Pre-plan commit. Yes. Let's see the load number. Anyway, I'm gonna get going. Catch you on the highways and the byways. King of the Road, signing off. Stay tuned. We're back out here. We'll be gone till November. See y'all when we get back. Local. Or catch me in a truck stop.